No running boards. That's kind of cool.
If you have questions, I know where the owner is.
Oh, okay.
The gentleman in the hat.
Yes. Wow, look at that. I guess if the pressure build up, I'll have to ask him. Ray, could I have a flyer?
Yeah, absolutely. You get a color one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So a couple of the guys, have you been here before? The guy with the 57 Nomad?
This is my first time. Oh yeah, the red one with the white top? Yes.
You know him. So, and there's another guy, we don't remember his name, he's got a Nova. Those two are, he's not here either.
Ron, he's got a reddish Nova.
I haven't met him, but I've met Ron at 3 or 4 shows and I shot a video of his.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you seen his C10?
I have not.
Okay,
He
he's got
has
a
a
really
C10.
nice C10 pickup truck too.
Okay.
Yep. And, but anyway, they came up to me and they're like, hey, if you make me some flyers, I'll hand them out when I go to shows locally.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times I don't go on the weekends to do shows. But
Yes.
Actually, this weekend I am. But, so I made some up. And
Yeah.
Either one of those guys are here.
It's always the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for
Come
putting
on,
yeah.
Tom, I appreciate it.
Thank you for putting it on, Ray. Oh boy, here you go. I would say it's a DeSoto, but I'm not sure. So DeSoto, Chrysler, Plymouth, Dodge, New Yorker Deluxe. So I'm assuming maybe it's a Chrysler. Hard to say. That is one hell of an automobile. And then the Ranchero. With dealer installed air conditioning. So this is during the week from on Wednesdays. I guess John Milner's here. On Wednesdays from 10 to 12.
All right, buddy.
And this is my first time here. It's August. I've been wanting to come all summer, but just don't have the time in the middle of the day. But as you can see, some cool cars, and it's probably 12:30, so it's starting to break up. I'm gonna shoot this Corvair real quick, or Carvair. These cars are so underrated right now, inexpensive, and everyone that I've spoken to that has one or has had one said they are so fun to drive. It's an air-cooled rear-engine car. So this has 164 and just a very simple vehicle. And unfortunately, a guy named Ralph Nader came out after him and ended up, General Motors stopped making them. What's interesting is a lot of the parts are actually replaceable with the Chevy Camaro. And you might be able to see some of the similarities, but the body lines are very similar to the Chevy Camaro. I'm not saying they're all replaceable, but some of them are. But the show is wrapping up, so I just wanted to shoot a little video before I left, and I got to get back to work.